you can modify lightning lanes. Currently, right now, this person has a test track, but they want to do soaring first. So right here in the green, there is 3 dots. You click on that and then modify plan. And now you can scroll up and let's see what time soaring is. And if I had these pinned, it would be easier. So let's change to this time so they can go now. Perfect. And then once they get done with that, we can get them another one. Super, super easy. I'm so glad you can modify now. So you don't have to cancel and rebook. You can hit the modify button and see what's open.